Hey sports fans, welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. Yeah, it's a little warm, 83 out, good breeze, got a fan on, all the windows open, but it's got to be still at least 83 in here. Unless you're right by the window like at my bedroom door where the fan's going. Tends to get a little warm. But that brings me to something that is perfect to do during a warm day and needs to be done about once a year. Defrosting that freezer. So I've taken my bucket of ice out. Got some of the non-perishables like the buns that were frozen in there out. One thing that I do that I just started doing is see this nice thin, try and get my camera angle here. One thing that I tried to do to make this a little easier is this nice cutting board. I throw all the way in the back against the wall. That greatly helps this defrosting process. And very few RVs, or at least ones that are not super expensive with household appliances, have frost freezers. They will frost up. You will have to defrost them. So again, the fact that I can just see the bolts back here is amazing, because normally you'll get 2 inches of solid ice on there, or an inch, depending on how long you let it go. And that little part in the back was great. I took that down, shook the ice off of it. That ice is now keeping the frozen chicken company and the refrigerator. But that's all the ice I've already got out. So I've seen different techniques on this. Oh, get a hair dryer. Okay, well, I don't have hair, nor do I have a hair dryer. Get a pot of boiling water. Okay, I'm not in that much hurry to defrost this. Some of the frozen things like hamburger patties and hot dog buns I put in the fridge. They'll keep that cold. And we're going to let this kind of go natural. I do have a nice chisel here, which, keeping the plastic on, I could just go along and chisel some of that ice off. But we're going to let it go a couple hours natural and then come back to it. All right, looking pretty good. Just going to dry it out a little bit more and start things back up. So I've got that cutting board that I'm just going to kind of hold here and push some things against it. It'll eventually freeze, but there we go. So go out there, be positive, be nice, be active. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, please subscribe if you haven't already. You could see this was the key to defrosting it, was Ninja in her new bed, supervising. And from Ninja and I, we both wish you a great rest of your day.